Hey guys, it's Remy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm currently in a new location. I am in a hotel room at the MGM in Vegas and I'm here for Life is Beautiful. It's my first time ever going to this music festival. I'm very excited and we're going in a couple hours, but I thought I would take you guys along with me to get ready today because I like watching these videos and I thought you would enjoy it. Not really sure what I'm going to do with the look today. Honestly, probably like normal makeup that I usually do like some cute little pigtails in my hair. I've been into that, and you guys can help me pick out an outfit and then come with me to the festival, so it'll be fun. First up, I'm going to start off with primer. I'm going to use my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. Also sorry if it's echoey, but I'm in a bathroom, so what can you do? Primer. Put this on my nose, T-zone. This is really, really good if you have oily skin like myself. I swear it makes your face so freaking matte, like nothing moves. Look at that, nothing moves. Next up, to apply foundation, I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender, which I need to wash. For foundation, I'm using this sponge, and then I'm gonna use this foundation, which I'm really hoping matches my spray tan. It turned out ridiculously dark. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Hazel. This stuff is so good if you are trying to wear your makeup for a long time. It stays oh, this is a good match, all day long. Wow, this actually looks so good. You ever like start your makeup and then just don't want to finish it? Because that's me right now. Actually, this might be a little light, but we'll make it work. Oh no! I look crazy on camera, I promise it's okay. I'm also gonna put some moisturizer on my lips because my lips have just been getting really dry lately. So I brought Hourglass lip oil. It looks like this, it's like really weird. And then you squeeze it and then apply. Oh, that was so much, dang it. Ooh, I just let that sit on my lips while I do my crazy looking face. Tarte Shape Tape, the best concealer to ever exist in the world. I'm taking the shade Medium Tan Sand just to brighten a little bit. I usually don't have too bad of dark circles, but I have a little bit today. And then I'm taking the shade Tan and just putting that on my hyperpigmentation, which is just my cheeks for the most part. And then I blend in the cheeks with like the fat side of the Beauty Blender. And then I blend in under the eyes with the point. Amazing. Oh, it looks good. Okay, next up, to set the face, I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix powder. I randomly found this, thought it'd be good to throw in my bag with me when I leave for the festival so I can just touch up on the go because I always get oily in the T-zone, you know? I feel like this is gonna stay in place all day long. Moving on to the eyes, I am going to take this Tom Ford Emotion Proof, oh good, eye color in, I'm not even gonna try and say it, it's just like a bronzy color. It's like a bronze cream shadow. I'm gonna put this all over the eye and on the lower lash line as well. Next up, for eyeshadow, I'm gonna take the Sequins eyeshadow from Marc Jacobs in Topaz Flash. Press that on top, other side. Looking good, looking sparkly. I'm gonna take this dark brown MAC color, put it in the crease, a little highlight. Oh, I need to pluck my eyebrows too. Oh, that one hurt. Oh God. Brows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is like the only thing I usually use on my eyebrows. Oh, that looks good, look at that. One versus the other. Granted, I have my eyebrows microbladed, but this looks way better. You just need a little help, you know? Okay, looking good. For lashes, these are pretty much the only lashes I wear. I buy them from Amazon. They're the Lily Lashes in Mykonos. Ooh, these are dramatic, but I have small eyes, so I need to cut them shorter. I'm just gonna trim them down a little bit from the inside and from the out. Okay. Oh my God, are you okay? My camera fell. Oh no. Are you okay, guys? We're back. Okay, we're good. Sorry, everyone. Okay, lashes are trimmed. Now I'm going to add my lash glue on top, and while that gets tacky, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I don't like just waiting for the lash to dry. I get bored, so this helps me not waste any time. The best lash glue ever, House of Lashes. Best glue I've ever found in my entire life. For eyeliner, I'm using the Benefit Roller Liner, my favorite liquid liner in the entire world. Just gonna draw my little cat eyes. Gonna let that dry a bit. For my contour, I always use the Benefit Cheek Leaders palette. It is so good. I have my spray tan, so I'm gonna use the Hoola Caramel right now. Buff it in, you know. I feel like it's coming to life. Now, I'm gonna curl my lashes and use this camera to do so. There we go, 1, 2. And then apply a coat of mascara. This is the It Cosmetics Blow Dry one with dry bar. I don't know, it's really good though. Can't do it without making the ugly face, you know? We're gonna put on our lashes. I'm ambidextrous here. Oh my god, they look buggy. Okay, much better. Letting that dry. To contour the nose, I'm taking this little flat brush. Gonna draw lines down the front, blend it in, you know, looking snatched. For inner corner highlight, the cookie highlighter in this palette is next level. Ready? Ooh! Finishing up the face, this highlighter is from Tarte. It's the Tarte Lit Chrome Paint. I have no idea. I randomly found it in my drawers. It is so good. It's this like loose powder. I've never seen anyone talk about it. And then you just take a little brush like this, or like a little loose brush, pick up the tiniest bit of powder, like that, just a bit. Like this is gonna last me a lifetime. Then you swirl it in the top, tap. Oh my god, do you see that? Do you see that? Wow! I usually put way too much on, so I have to go in and blend everything out again. I just get so excited. It's just so pretty and sparkly. For blush, I'm using the NARS blush in Sin. It's pretty. Ooh, little brush. So almost everything is done. Now we're just gonna finish off with the lips. I'm using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Flirt. It's so pretty if you like brown tone lips like myself. I don't really overline my lips too because I feel like they're a pretty proportionate size to my face, but feel free to do whatever. And then I just discovered this. This is the Morphe lip gloss in Freebird. Their lip glosses are so good. It's gonna have on top. I like it too because it's not sticky. All right, that is the makeup. I'm now going to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I spray so much of this on. It just feels good to do so. Okay, moving on to hair. I think what I'm gonna do is just little like pigtails up here and then curl all the rest around, and then we'll do some fun glitter and stuff. Let me move you down a bit. Is that better? We're doing hair. Oh, so much better. Okay, hair is boring. I feel like I don't need to talk you through it too much. We can just speed through this, but I'm using my T3 wand curling iron. This is amazing. And I'll catch you guys when it's time for the fun stuff.
I'll keep the door open.
You look
Is that
so
better?
cute. You're so cute.
You're so cute.
You're so cute. Oh my god, Eli's gonna watch this and hate it. I just realized. Sorry. Yeah. You guys, it is getting hot in here with a sweatshirt and a curling iron. Do you ever just get a craving for like ice cream? Me right now. Thank you.
Have fun getting ready.
Thank you so much. I'm really not having fun. Let me know in the comments, curly or straight? I think I'm a curly fan. Okay. You guys, I'm seriously so into this lip color though. Isn't it so pretty? Everyone's sleeping on the Morphe glosses apparently. Unless it's like a big thing and I'm just finding out about them now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh my god, so cute. Okay, hair products. Here we go. I'm gonna use, oh no, I'm almost out. But I brought my hairspray. Gonna put my baby hairs down, help out with those, put them on sides, all over to add like extra volume. I'm gonna use the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This stuff is so good. Whoa, that's a lot of hair and a lot of spray. Okay, of going to a festival, the best part, obviously, we need some glitter. So, in this bag, I brought all my glitters. I have all my like loose glitters in here. I haven't decided what I'm gonna wear today. We're gonna decide together, but I have like purple, gold. I need to figure out what outfit I'm wearing, so let's do that, and then we can decide what color glitter, but we're gonna have some fun. Okay, I got my suitcase. Oh gosh, I brought so many options, and I'm a little worried. Okay, here's what we got. We got these fun little glitter sparkly shorts. Super cute. Those, I was thinking with this little crystal top. I got these fun disco star pants. This is really cute. This could be fun. Ooh, I don't know the options. I got this cute little set from White Fox that's like a little tie skirt with a little bandeau top. I feel like I'm doing a haul for you too. Little top. I do not know if that's gonna fit my boobs. I think this is what I'm going for if I'm going like all out for day one. I feel like this would be the cutest with the hair too. It's this little pink brief with a little tie glitter skirt and then a little like corset top. I think I'm gonna wear this today because it's like the most extra one. Oh man, should I wear this today? No, I'm gonna go all out today. I'm gonna wear this pink one right now. Let me change. Hold on, and I'll show you what it looks like when I come back. Okay, we are back. Woo! Oh, it's dark. Babe, can you help me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm better now.
There it is.
Woo! Thank you. I think what I'll do is just take like random little pieces of hair and then just like run the glitter on it, maybe, if it sticks. Oh, fun. Oh my god, I love it! Oh, cute. Okay. It smells so good, wow. I'm gonna put some on. Ow, it's scratchy. Ow, yow, yow. A little shoulder action, maybe. Ow, 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 ow. A little here on the cheekbone. We'll just like tap it on. A little pink glitter. And then, for more fun, I'm gonna do this pink glitter from Tarte on top. Oh, it's like a jelly. Whoa. Whoa, ASMR. This feels much better on the skin. It's not as rough. I feel like I'm ready for a rave, not a music festival. Whatever. All right, guys, this is my final Life is Beautiful day one look. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me, and let's go to the festival.